Hi, I'm Scott Halford, and this is Your Brain Matters. Today, I'd like to talk about the much heavily pressed neurohormone called oxytocin. We've heard a lot about oxytocin in the press. It's said to be the bonding hormone, the hormone of trust, the thing that helps us find our mates and bond with them for life. It's important to understand that oxytocin, of course, has other kind of factors to it. It's what is necessary in women in order to give birth. It opens up pelvic joints as well as is important for milk production. When a baby is born, the mother's brain is awash in oxytocin, as is the baby's brain, and the father's as well, but more so for the mother and the child, and it creates this kind of bonding intensity between mother and child. As adults, when we find our mate, when we have that love at first sight, that intensity that we feel is oftentimes the intensity of oxytocin literally dropping all of the threat states in our brain and opening us up to be able to interact with that human being in very different ways than we typically do when oxytocin isn't present. Oxytocin increases when we laugh together, when we find someone we like or love, when we collaborate, when we actually work together on a team towards something. We create bonding in oxytocin. We also create oxytocin with generosity by doing other things for other people. Whenever we actually get involved with like the race for the cure, that kind of thing, increases oxytocin, and we feel very, very much a part of a community. Oxytocin is really incredibly important. If you're a leader and you're working on teams, you want to make sure that people know each other in a way that they can trust each other, that they're bonding together, and that it's not all just about work. That's also about us and how much we know about each other. So oxytocin is a really incredibly important thing in business and in life. This is Your Brain Matters, and I'm Scott Halford.